life of an adult child. You wake up, it's time for coffee. Take a shower, it's time for coffee. Go to work, it's time for coffee. Get fired, it's time for coffee. And by 5 o'clock, it should be time for coffee.
Cut my life into pieces.
This is my chocolate bar.
Hey, I always get the vibe that you, like, hate me or something. What? Me hate you? You're right.
Welcome to Dating Advice with Gabby. Justin, what's your question?
How do you tell if a girl likes you?
She doesn't!
Ew, that wasn't very ladylike. I don't give
A fuck.
What time is it?
It's muffin time!
Actually it's 12:30.
Somebody kill me!
Why are you playing Christmas music in November? You are not welcome here. Get out of my...
Bobby, I have a boo-boo! Oh no, let me see it, sweetie. It's bleeding! Oh, honey, it's okay. Will you kiss it? Are you kidding me? That's fucking disgusting. No way.
Gotta clear your throat.
Come on, man, show us something.
No, it's embarrassing.
Do something.
Shit. Did you wash the dishes? Oh yeah. Did you read my story?
Totally!
Did you want the rest of my food?
Yes, I would like that.
Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuit!
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Clefairy!
Fuck!
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
I'm white. I'm black. I'm yellow. I'm red.
Change your shirt. Bruh, first of all, I look good in this shirt. And second of all, I look good in this shirt. And third of all, I look good in this shirt. So tell me I don't look...